Today, on Motivelearn, we are discussing things you shouldn't do in life. Time is the most valuable thing you have, and wasting it is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. It's important to manage your time wisely, not just by being productive all the time, but by being aware of how you spend it. Make sure you spend time doing things that truly matter, like enjoying nature, spending time with family, reading meaningful books, working on your health, pursuing hobbies, or simply learning something new. Every minute you spend on something that adds value to your life is time well spent. Another important thing not to overlook is your health. When we're young, it's easy to take our health for granted, but as we get older, our bodies need more attention. By the time we hit 25, it's crucial to develop healthy eating habits and incorporate regular exercise into our lives. Taking care of your body is a long-term investment that pays off in the future. It's also essential not to ignore your parents and loved ones. With all the demands of modern life, it's easy to forget that our parents are getting older and need our attention. A simple phone call or financial help might not be enough. You should try to spend quality time with them, understand their needs, and create opportunities to bond. Make sure your family is a central part of your life and that you're available whenever they need you. Don't let your passion fade away. Life is full of beauty and opportunities, from inspiring people to new experiences and hobbies. It's easy to get caught up in routine and forget to explore what excites you, but living a fulfilling life means finding and pursuing your passions. When you're engaged in something you love, you feel more alive. Don't let boredom or routine take away your sense of purpose. Never underestimate your potential. You can achieve great things when you put in the effort and dedication. Whatever you set your mind to, you can accomplish with hard work and focus. Believe in your abilities and push yourself beyond your limits. It's also important to have a clear sense of purpose in life. Without it, you might find yourself running after goals that don't truly satisfy you. Take the time to define your purpose and ensure that your actions align with your dreams. Every step you take should bring you closer to your life's goals. Stress is another thing you should avoid. Life can be overwhelming, and it's easy to feel stressed during tough situations like exams, work challenges, or personal setbacks. However, learning how to manage stress through techniques like inner engineering can help you handle life's challenges more calmly. Don't let stress control you. Instead, learn how to cope with it effectively. You should also avoid cursing your past. Life is full of ups and downs, and we all make mistakes. It's easy to regret past decisions or experiences, but each mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace your past, learn from it, and be thankful for the lessons it taught you. Without the darkness, you wouldn't appreciate the light. Comparing yourself to others is another trap to avoid. Success is different for everyone, and what might be right for someone else might not be right for you. Define your own version of success and work towards it, without worrying about what others think or do. Your life, your choices, and your goals should reflect what you truly want, not society's expectations. Finally, never lose hope. Life can be challenging, but remember that no situation is hopeless. Keep your childlike wonder alive, and don't let age or setbacks make you lose your sense of joy and curiosity. Life is full of small moments that can bring happiness if you take the time to appreciate them. That's all for today's video, folks. See you next time right here on Motivelearn.